Hello there. In this video I'm going to show you when you are doing the cross weave how to end your piece and then go straight into adding the support. Now this piece is from one of the spring pieces, but I'm going to use it. What you want to do is once you've completed or ready to add the last 3 beads, I bring the 2 up just to see if one is slightly longer than the other. I'll take the one that is slightly longer. Now if all 3 beads are the same color, then you can just add them. And then this string is coming out on this side, so we will go through the bead it is coming out of. So it's coming out on the same side. And then there, your 2 strings are now coming out of the second bead in from the corner, which is exactly where you want your string for adding support. So then you would just start adding your support. Just go to the video and go ahead and start. Your string is already attached and you just begin adding. Now if you have, like here where you have a note to help you know where to put your beads, because when you get to the last row it's kind of hard to remember or figure out which of these strings was the last one you used. So to make it easy, I've added a note. Now here, hopefully you can see this green is slightly darker than this green. So we're going to pretend that this is B, and we want B to line up with the other B's. So if we add to this string like I did before, let's double check. Yes. Add to this string, we're going to make sure B is the last color we put on so that it is on the same side as the others. So here I'll add 2 purples, and then I'll add the B, and I'll go through the bead again like before. And then as you can see there, my light green is lined up with the other light greens. So if you have a note, you want to just take that into consideration when you add your beads. And then like I said, your string is now coming out of the second bead in from the corner, and you're all set to add your support. Now for the faceted beads, I recommend that you start with about 4 feet of string if you're going to do the square and support together. With the seed beads, I recommend you start with about 2 feet and 8 inches of string, or around 3 feet. And that should give you enough string to put your square together and then go right into adding your support. If you have any questions or need help in any way, please post and I'll be sure to reply either in a post or create a tip for you in one of the videos. I hope you are enjoying this project.